Welcome to NaturalReader EDU, built to make reading more accessible for every student. Sign in with Google, Apple, or your school account to access your NaturalReader library from any browser or device. Upload PDFs, documents, textbooks, images, or web pages, and have them read aloud with natural-sounding AI voices. Choose from hundreds of lifelike voices to find the one that works best for you. Adjust the reading speed, pause length, and alternating speakers to match your listening preferences. As NaturalReader reads aloud, synchronized highlighting helps you follow the text and stay engaged. Personalize your reading experience with different highlight colors, light or dark mode, and other display preferences. Highlight important passages and add notes directly to your document, so key information is easy to review later. An AI text filter can remove distracting content like citations, headers, tables, and formulas, helping you focus on the main text. Adjust the font, text size, spacing, and other reading settings to create a more comfortable reading experience. Keep your reading materials organized by creating folders for different classes, subjects, assignments, or projects. Your EDU shared library gives you quick access to reading materials uploaded and shared by your teachers. Convert your documents into MP3 audio files so you can download them and continue listening offline. Use the free Chrome extension to read web pages, Google Docs, emails, Canvas, and more directly in your browser. Download the free NaturalReader mobile app included with your account and keep listening wherever you go. Make reading more accessible with NaturalReader EDU.